In this video, we're going to show you how to properly default the 380 Synergy. Defaulting the 380 Synergy properly involves getting into the configuration menu. To do that, we'll begin by powering down the scale. Press and hold the power button till the display says off. We release the button. And then we're going to power up the scale by pressing and holding. When the display lights up, I have to press that 0 button before the count up to 9. Now I'm in the configuration menu. We have to navigate to the default parameter. So we'll come down, we see config, and then navigate from config to the right. You should see default on the display. Come down under default. Now the default choice here is no, so we have to make the decision. So we're going to go to the right to change it to yes, and then we'll press the down arrow and it'll say OK. At this point we can navigate back to setup and exit. So if I go up till I see setup on the display, we'll go up one last time. It will save and exit, and in the process default the indicator.
Some links to our website.